friends, in this video I am going to explain how to draw the face and how to give the skin color. I will explain this tutorial. Already explained the 4 parts, how to draw the eyes and the eyebrows and the nose and the lips and the hair and the hairlines in the Inkscape. Inkscape is the free software everyone can use. I am giving the layer name to face. You can observe I am giving the face and other things what I explained. I will give the all the details. This is the complete tutorial. Then after I will explain with the shading, how to give the shading on the portrait drawing. This is the portrait drawing of the one of the woman. I downloaded from the internet by using the Pixpay, and you can observe that these are the tools I already explained in my previous tutorial. By using the pen tool, you can easily draw the what is the skin called the face, and you can observe the ear. I am starting from the ear. For example, I am starting from the ear, how it ends. First you require the start and the end point required. You give the one of the start point and end point. It is nice to see. You can also give the different types of points by using called the shape tool on the pen tool. You can observe that I am giving the shape called none. Without giving a no shape is I am not giving, or the default what is there I am doing that by using the none option. You can give the shape by using the pen tool. You can observe I am giving the face, and here the face I want to require, then only should shape is required. You can also by using the nodes, and you can change the shape on the irregular shape to the exact shape what you want by using the nodes. Already explained the previous. You can observe this is the shape I created. I want to end this somewhat distracted. You can observe the curve is obtained clearly. You can observe on the screen by using the plus and the minus key of the zoom options. I am doing this. You can observe I am giving the plus tool. You can observe the plus on that, and you can also by using the Control Z undo option, what is the curve you want required, that will automatically undo by using the Control plus Z. By using the zooming options, plus and the minus key, by using the pen tool, the shortcut is B, and by using the selection tool, the shortcut is S, what I am using. And you can observe the swatches also created here, some of the swatches on the below, and you can observe this tool is very good to see. By using the ellipse tool also you can create same as before. By using I am using the none of the shape without giving the any shape, and you can observe the shape is created like this. I want to fill the color. By using the fill color, you can already observe on the bottom of this different types of colors are there. You can observe by using the fill and stroke and the path effect also. You can change the path effects and draw the lines. You can also change the width of the line by using the path effect, and you can also increase the value of the width of the stroke by using the fill and stroke. You can observe again I am doing this. I am not skipping any of this. You can see the color is obtained clearly, and you can observe the stroke is black what I created. You can observe I am giving the color to the skin tone is already created the one of the sketch. I am giving to the swatch color to the lost the skin. I am giving to the somewhat type of darkish of pink of color, and you can give the light color also. I am giving the pure light, and you can observe the skin is created, but the hair is back. The skin what are the face of the drawn is it does not clear. By doing this you can also change the layer. You can also use the back tool by using the top and the bottom, backward and the forward also. You can by using these options. I will show you how to back this, and you can observe you can also give the selection tool. You want to remove this, you can also give this. I am doing this. It is somewhat not obtaining clearly. You can observe. Then in this time what I do by using the layer properties and the layers what I created. For example, the face and skin of the layer is on the top. I want to move it on the bottom on the photo. You can observe on the hair what I created. See the bottom, the hair is on the top, the face and skin in the bottom. Then by using the layers also you can create the images, and you can backward and the forward the images exactly position without using the tools also. Layer is very helpful. If you create the multiple layers, the drawing is very easy to construct the drawing. And if one layer you should create the one layer, it is complicated. keep it as multiple layers in your drawing and practice the drawings in the multiple layers. It will help you. You can observe that you can also sub layer to this option also by moving the layer. How to move the layer onto the object I already explained in the previous. You can observe this is the skin I created. It is looking good. The color is also good. The eyes is okay, and the nose and the lips you can observe. This is the portrait of the woman I explained in the Inkscape. Inkscape is the free software. Without of any of free trial version, you can use the software anywhere. And you can observe that this is the pen tool I created by using the shape. I want to go to the nodes section. You can observe that by using the nodes, you can clearly, if you're not satisfied with this shape, you can also change the shape by using the nodes. For example, how many nodes is created? 1 2 3 4 5 6 nodes is observed on the screen. By using these nodes, you can create the curves, and you can change the shape also. By using the you can also increase the nodes also. I will explain in later. This one for this for the beginners, it is okay. You can observe by using the node how the shape is obtained. Clearly you can observe by using this. To any of the irregular shape, you can make the by using these nodes. As compared to the listed, a lot of tools are there in this Inkscape. Only one tool you can achieve the shape. By using the different types of tools are there in Illustrator. You can observe the this is the skin of the nose and the ears is on the top, and the lip lines is next to the lips, and the hairlines and the hair and the eyes and the face scan in the photo. What the layer is created, you should on the layer turn off all the layers for do this, and unlock the layer what you drawn, and lock all the layers what you completed before. This is the tip I am explaining. You can observe the I want to go with the neck option. You can now neck you can also create by using the in the same layer. You can also create with the by creating the new layer. I am giving the face and the skin here. You can observe the pen tool, and again I am doing this. You can observe by using the face and skin layer only, and by using the shape without giving any shape, I am creating on the none option on the shape tool. You can observe, and by using the pen, the shortcut key is B. If it is disappear, give the shortcut to B. If you want to give the selection, give the selection to S. Shortcut keys. And you can observe the neck is created, and the black color of the stroke is also you can observe on the screen. On the face and the skin is completed. Then after you want to do the sum of the color, you can see on the screen. But the face, what you created the stroke, it is disturbing on the face layer what you created before. For this position, you can give the different layer also. You can also move the layer to the another position. By using the nodes also, it is not doing good. You can observe it is distracting. The other photo is seeing on the screen. You can observe this. I want satisfy this face and the skin. You should create the different layer for this purpose. For example, I am selecting this, and you can observe the first time creating the layer name called neck, and click on add option. Here the neck is there. I am unlock the option and want to see, and go into the move to the layer, and go into the neck, and click on move option. That's it. You can observe the neck is moved. You can also lock this option. I want to create to the bottom. You can observe the face and the skin. I want to create to the bottom of the face and the skin. You can observe bottom of the on the middle to the photo and the face, and in between this the neck is there. For this you can observe that the line is the face and the skin layer of the line stroke is visible, and the other line is not visible. It is hidden by using the layers. By this you can create the layer of the skin tone is color is created. You want to give the how the give the shading to the skin. I will explain the next part. That is called part 6, and you can observe that this is the part 5 tutorial I am explaining. And you can observe the this is the t-shirt is there. How to create this shirt I will explain. Then you can observe that I am giving the shirt called shirt option, and the layer I created the layer called shirt. T-shirt, you can give the shirt or t-shirt as your wish. I am giving the shirt simply, and go into the node option and click the node. I am clicking the pen tool. After clicking on the pen tool, you can observe the I'm giving the shape called this, like this shape is creating. After that you can observe the shape, and you can observe the shape is created. Then after I'm giving the color, some of the color I want to give, and give to the fill and stroke. Here the swatch is not there, how to give the fill and the color. I want to give the stroke paint first to the darker color, and the stroke style I want to give the stroke style to the width of 2.0. 2.0 of it is not okay. And you can observe the fill, I want to give the fill color to the somewhat t-shirt color like grayish and the green. You can also give the circle different types of colors by using the RGBA. Here you can observe the RGBA, one option is there. If you see that any of the color of the code is there, you can simply type the RGBA code onto the blend mode. On the top you can observe I'm giving the some of the t-shirt, I'm finding this color is okay, and I think this color is somewhat, I want to give the dark grayish color. I'm giving this color, you can see on the screen. This is the, then the shade is completed, and the skin, this is, you can also give the width to, for example, 3.0. I'm stroke style, I'm giving 3.0 is looking good. I want to change the fill color by using the neck option, and I'm clicking the neck. I want to give the stroke side width to somewhat 2.0. Next I'm creating the fill color, stroke style width to 1.0. It is okay, 2.0. I want to give the face also, I'm giving the change it to the width to 1.0, and the face of the width is completed stroke. It is looking good. If you're giving the stroke width, that is good to see by using on the portrait. So you can observe the face and the skin is okay, the strokes are okay. The color of the t-shirt is also okay. You can observe that you can give the stroke to different color. You can also give the t-shirt to the different stroke as your wish. And you can observe the lips is okay. Then you want to give the final shading is required. You want to move this selection by using the move tool, by using the selection, that is called selection. You can also rotate this somewhat. You can want to give the string the neck, you can also string the neck. I think it is fine, is okay. And then I want to, this is the basic tutorial for the beginners. I've explained this series. This is the part 5, and this is the t-shirt is okay, and all the layers are created. The final shading is required. I will meet in part 6.